Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on this channel, and today's video is quite of a different one than my usual uploads, but we will be going over a new airdrop campaign that has just been announced. And honestly guys, this is an amazing opportunity if you're wanting to get some free money. If you want to start building your crypto portfolio, or if you already have one and you want to keep building it. And I'm going to be real with you guys, the processing claim in this airdrop is very simple. It's literally just a few clicks and you could check if you're eligible, and you may not even know that you have some free money laying around, so it's really worth it to try. Okay, so first and foremost, open up your browser. That is the official website where the airdrop is happening, and don't worry guys, I will leave all the useful links in the description below, and the link for the website will be in a pinned comment as well. And of course, once you get to the website, you will be welcomed with this nicely designed website. You will have Doge, because Dege is based on Dogecoin. Join the Degen revolution and claim your free Dege tokens. 1 million total tokens, 10,000 participants, and 7 days left. And if you want, you can, learn more about Dege, see what it's all about. You can visit their social media. But today we are mostly interested in claiming the airdrop. So as you guys can see right here under the statistics, we have the black button where it says claim airdrop. Once you click on that, a small pop-up window will show up prompting you to connect your wallet. There's wallets like Software Wallet, Phantom Wallet, Trust Wallet, Coinbase, BitGet. There's all the popular wallets that people use for Solana. Once you find and connect your wallet, the system will check your eligibility and check how much Dege tokens you're eligible to claim. It will show you the exact amount you're eligible to claim, and if you're happy about that, just hit continue and you are good to go. The Dege tokens are on the way to your wallet, but do keep in mind guys that there's a lot of traffic on the website at the moment, so the waiting time is around 15 to 20 minutes. And yeah guys, that is pretty much it. There's no much you have to do after that, but that is me. Thanks very much for watching this video. Comment down below how much you were able to claim from this. I am out. Peace.